Guys, news every day, bad news every day, bad news every day, here and there. Another one happened in Keyan on the 11th of this month, on the 11th of February 2025. A lady named Monica in Kenya killed her three sons and then strangled herself to death. Is this not shocking? So the husband, who does night shifts, came back from work and found out that the wife and the three sons were laying down dead. Is this not shocking? Guys, what happened? What really happened to this lady? Is it that she's depressed in the marriage, or she has mental issues, or she just decided to take her life and that of her kids just like that? Something dey happen. Oh, imagine a woman that carried a child or a children in the womb for good 9 months, the sleepless nights sleepless nights and all. You just take the life of your children just like that, and your own life. There is life after marriage. If you are in that marriage and you feel depressed, instead of committing suicide, it's better to walk out of that marriage. Yes, it's better than killing innocent children and taking your own life. It's better to just walk out. And please, if you're in that marriage and you are depressed, please speak out. Talk to people. They could be of help to you. You never can tell. If she had talked to somebody, maybe she wouldn't have taken her actions to this extent. Just imagine taking the life of your children and also your own life. The police are currently investigating into this matter to really know how everything played, to know what really happened, because this one shocked me. It too shocked me. So guys, what do you think? What's your opinion about this video? Thanks you for watching.